Hey guys, this is Daniel with Keg King. You are now going to watch the Keg Mate instructions for assembly. Start with your Keg Mate box and locate the coupler. A-type or D-type, it doesn't matter. They go together the same way. Locate the bag of coupler components, and inside this bag, locate the duckbill valve. Insert it into the gas portion of your coupler. Next, find the 5/8 nut, and then find the barb elbow. Attach the nut and the elbow to the gas portion of the coupler. Orient the barb so that it is facing upwards, and tighten the nut using your 5-in-1 tap tool. These next components will all go together, forming your Keg Mate. Start by putting the auto close spring at the back of your UltraTap. Your UltraTap twist has flow control built in. Attach the shank to the back of the tap, ensuring that the spring is compressed inside of it. Using the nib on the side of your 5-in-1 tap tool, tighten the shank around the back of the tap. The shank collar should hold it tightly, and the auto close spring will allow for your tap to turn off as soon as you let go. Find the shank collar to hide the rest of the threads. Insert an O-ring into the Keg Mate base plate and spin the base plate into tap tightly, orienting the tap upright like this. Next, you're going to attach the mini regulator. Find your screws. There are 4 screw holes at the back of the mini regulator. Attach the screws into each of the holes. Next, you're going to take the coupler extender and put this black O-ring at the base of it. This will fit into the Keg Mate plate and screw the pipe into place within the Keg Mate plate. Next, at the base, apply a O-ring seal and then screw your coupler's liquid side into the bottom. The extension from the coupler is now complete. Make sure it's nice and tight. Next, you're going to find these brass components. You will not need this straight brass barb. Instead, start with this nut, finding the Allen key, and apply it to the mini regulator just like this. Once it's in place, you're going to use the elbow barb and screw that into place in the side of the mini regulator. Orient the elbow so that it's facing down. You can use the nut to tighten it into place. Next, find your tubing and 2 stepless clamps. You will need a stepless clamp tool to seal the stepless clamps. If you don't have a stepless clamp tool, you can try using pliers. Remove the zip ties from the tubing, and at this point you can go ahead and drop the stepless clamps onto the tubing so they're ready when you apply the tubing to the barbs. The line should be soft enough to slide directly over the barbs, both on the gas side of your coupler. Take 1 stepless clamp, find the stirrup. Using your tools, squeeze the stirrup so that the clamp holds the tubing nice and tight on that barb. Do the same for the top. Once sealed into place, this tube will bring the gas from the regulator down to the coupler. Next, find the SodaStream adapter. Apply this into the bottom of the mini regulator. Screw your SodaStream bottle or small portable bottle into place and mount your coupler onto your keg. D-types twist into place, A-types slide on just like this. Engage your couplers by pushing down on the handles until they click. Release the pressure from the keg's headspace, then set your regulator to a small amount of pressure. 5 psi is about all you'll need to begin with. Go ahead and pour yourself a beer. You can use the twist action of your handle to control the flow. If you're getting a lot of foam, you can slow it down simply by twisting the handle. Go ahead and enjoy your labor. The Keg Mate is ready to use.